The one thing with ethics is that by following them you can sleep well, be fearless, and smile from the bottom of your heart. बुक नेम मर्यादाओं का उल्लंघन न करें. Don't breach the boundaries of morality. Maryada or decorum is a behavior that people consider to be correct, polite, and respectable. Rules are a set of guidelines that get created in communities and countries, and the social decorum further shapes appropriate social behavior according to the rules set by any society. How we conduct ourselves in any arena should be in alignment with the rules and guidelines set by the society. Now imagine a world without set rules and regulations, a world without law and order. Won't such a world be filled with chaos and anarchy? In the 21st century, unless you bring along with yourself a fine set of impeccable credentials, a well-regarded philosophy about life, and the asset of good manners, you will find that life is complicated. So, it becomes important for anyone to abide by the general rule and decorum of the society she or he is living in. Glad to present a book that depicts the same and gives one insight as to how to lead a beautiful life full of orderliness, decorum, and meaning. Few excerpts from the book. Hunger cannot be satisfied with any puja, ritual, or dhyan. How long can a hungry person maintain one's mental balance? After a specific limit, the most intelligent will also be profoundly disturbed. Earning adequate requirements and satisfaction in owning things is construed as prosperity for a competent person. A selfless person is not greedy, is free from desires, and is indeed prosperous. And despite being wealthy, one who is mean, lusty, and sensuous is flawed and poor. Nature works around a set of rules. All the galaxies, stars, and planets move according to a fixed universal law. They cannot move around their self-made rules. If one tries hard, the planets and stars cannot change their speed or direction of movement. Even if we add lot of water and fertilizer to trees, they will not flower or bear fruits if it is not the season. The universal law which applies to the whole world applies to humans too. When there are disturbances in universal laws, star, planet explodes or earthquake occurs. In the same way, when a person does not follow the laws of morality, one's life is disrupted, one's mental, physical, and spiritual health suffers and deteriorates. When rules are broken, we get momentary happiness, but then we fail to see its repercussions in future. Wealth accumulated by dishonesty to satisfy ego and hoard unnecessary material items gives joy at that moment but brings a lot of problem in future. It causes mental instability and spiritual downfall. Just as crops are destroyed by dew, the mind engrossed in worldly pleasures gets destroyed, and such a person is living life like a ghost or spirit. To be a good citizen, the framework of being wise, being honest, and being responsible should be followed by all. Obeying this will take our country to the highest glory. Few topics covered in the book: don't cross limits of decency and morality, follow discipline, rules of morality should be followed, good citizens, pillars of national glory.